Hi, what's up? So before you skip this video, you must listen to me. 2025 has ended and 2026 come in. So for sure, daghan kayo mga pagsulay nga mabot. That's right. But you must be stronger. Have more power na pod this 2026. Laban lang ka bisag wala kay kalaban. That's a quote from a friend. Bitaw no, sige ka ingon nga laban lang ka. Bisag wala ka kay kalaban. I just realized nasakto pod. Just a quick inspiration message to all of you guys. Kung kinsa man na tanaw-an ni no matter what language do you speak, I hope na may translator, I think. I just wanna say don't lose hope. Be hopeful lang gid ka until you leave. Kasi if you lose hope, paano ka lalaban, di ba? How can you fight with your problems if you haven't hope? And I know from my experience, a lot of struggles last year, and I know mas more on reality na this year. It's because I'm about to graduate. Yay! Manifesting for a blissful life, a fruitful career, and also to you guys. And we should work harder, I think. Even if we haven't earned that much money. That's not more important. The more important is you have learnings in life you can carry throughout your whole life. For all the encounters that you had in 2025, be thankful and be grateful because they contributed lessons to you. I'm sure daghan kayo na learn from them. Heartache ba na? Or positive ones ba na? Just be grateful. And last but not the least, ayaw gid pagbobo karong 2026. It's because we all know na prone ta mga humans because we're not AI nga bobo gid ta most of the time. So sa mga nagpiniling dira nga bright sila, well, you cannot claim it. It's because we're just humans. We made mistakes. So magpakabobo man gani ka pero ayaw pod permi. It's just a lesson that I have to repeat. I'm telling myself na bobo man gani di lang permihon. So mo to ako ang takeaway from the past 2025. Wag masyadong magpakabobo kasi mahirap na. So that's all na. Just wanna share. I just wanna have chit chat sa inyo. Pero how? Through live. Nag-live ko. For the first time. Naprag di po ka-live. But that's all I wanted to say. And good luck this 2026. I really want to do more vlogs pero I'm always busy with academics. But once I graduate, I promise to myself I will do vlogging and more power and good health in order for me to carry on, to make it happen. So see you guys for the next video.